Good morning students, welcome back to the class. Today in this class we will do the last exercise from chapter 16, that is exercise 16.3, and in this exercise we will do the maths on the circumference and area of circle. So first we will know the formula to find out the circumference or the area of circle. So first I am drawing here a circle. This is almost a circle. So this is the center of the circle, you all know, and the line which is joining two points on the circumference of the circle, this is the circumference of the circle. This one means the outer boundary is the circumference, and the line which is joining any two points on the circumference and passing through the center of the circle is called the diameter. Okay, so this is the diameter of the circle, and this much length, which is half of the diameter, means center and any point on the circumference. So the line which is joining the center and any point on the circumference is called the radius of the circle. So you can see diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. Okay, this line is called the chord, means any line which is passing through, which is joining any two points on the circumference of a circle is called a chord, which is not which is just joining two points on the circumference. It's not mandatory to pass through the center. If it is passing through the center, then it's the diameter. Okay, so this is the circumference, the outer boundary, this one diameter, and this one is the radius, and the inner area is called the area of the circle. So the formulas to find out the circumference. First one is the formula to find out the circumference, that is 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Small r is represented as the radius of the circle. Okay, and what is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22/7, or if you convert it to decimal, it will be 3.142 almost. So circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Pi is equals to 22/7 as fraction, and as decimal is 3.142. Okay, next is the area of the circle. This one was for circumference. Now next, area equals to pi r square. Same here, pi equals to 3.142 or 22/7, and radius is r. Okay, so pi r square is the formula to find out the area, and circumference equals to 2 pi r. So now we will start exercise 16.3. 16.3 question number 1 is find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. So question number 1 is Roman 1 I am doing. Question number 1's Roman 1 is radius r is given as 7 cm. We are going to find out the circumference. So therefore circumference equals to 2 pi r. That means you can put the value of pi here as 22/7. 2 into 22/7 into the value of r is 7 cm. And unit will be centimeter also. So 7 cancelled. 22 into 2, 44 cm is the required answer. Okay. In the next question, question number 2, find the area of the circles where the radius and the diameter are given. So 2's 1, where radius is given, r equals to, small r equals to 14 millimeter. So now we are going to find out the area. You all know the formula of area, pi r square. So pi is 22/7 and r square means r into r. So 14 into 14. So 7 to the 14 is 44 into 14. So here I am doing the calculation, 44 into 14. 616 millimeter square. So unit will be millimeter square since we are finding out the area. Next, diameter is given. We are going to find out the area. So diameter given. First we need to find out the radius. Okay. So question number 2 is Roman 2. I am doing next. Diameter. This is 2r. Diameter is 2r. 2r equals to given 49 meter. So therefore radius is equals to 49 by 2 meter. I am not converting it to decimal. I will first do the cancellation. Therefore the area equals to pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into r is 49 by 2. So r square means 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. 2 11s are 22, 2 1s are 2. 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. So it's 11 into 7 into 49 by 2. So I am doing the multiplication here. 77 into 49. So it's 3773 divided by 2. Now we will do the division. Orally I am doing the division. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12.5. So 1886.5 meter square is the required area of the circle. Okay. So I hope these sums are clear to you. Next I am going to question number 5. So question number 5 is, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. So a gardener is fencing the park. So fencing means we need to find out the outer boundary, the circumference of the circle. Diameter is given, we are going to find out the circumference. So I am just writing diameter, which is given as 21 meter. Therefore circumference, okay, radius r equals to, r will be 21 by 2 meter. So 2 pi r equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 meter. This is the circumference of the circle. So 7 3s are 21, 2 2 cancelled. It's 66 meter is the circumference of the circle. So he wants to make 2 rounds of fence. So that means 66 into 2 will be the length of the rope which is required to fence the garden. So therefore the length of rope required is equals to 66 into 2 meter. That is 136 meter. Sorry. 132 meter. Okay. Next question which is asked here, that is the cost of fencing the park is rate of cost is rupees 4 per meter. So we need 132 meter. Per meter rupees 4. So 132 meter rupees 4 into 132. So therefore the cost of fencing equals to 132 into 4 rupees is equals to rupees 528. Okay, so that is the answer. So I hope this is clear. Next I am doing question number 6. If the circumference of a circle exists its diameter by 30 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle. Exist means more than. More. Exist means more. So the circumference of a circle is more. How much? From the diameter. By how much? By 30 centimeter. So we can assume that the radius, we need to find out the radius here. So we can assume that the radius is r centimeter. So let the radius of the circle or the radius be x or r centimeter. Therefore, the circumference is equals to 2 pi r centimeter. So according to the question, the circumference is bigger than the radius. By how much? The circumference minus the diameter. Sorry, diameter is 2r. If r is the radius, then the diameter is 2r. So 2 pi r minus 2r equals to 30 centimeter. That is given in the question. Now from here we are going to find out the value of r. We can take 2r common. 2r if we take common. So then, or you can also simplify this one. I am showing you the process. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R we don't know the value of r. So 2 into r equals to 30. So now see, this is 44 r by 7 minus 2r equals to 30. Now we are going to take r as common. What is common? R is common in both the terms. So we are taking r common. So in the bracket, in the first term, in the bracket it will be 44 by 7, and in the second term there will be 2. So is equals to 30. Okay. Now again next calculation. In the bracket we will do the calculation r into 44 minus 14 by 7 is equals to 30. R into 30 by 7 equals to 30. So by cross multiplication we will get 30 into 7 by 30, that is 30 cancel 7. So the radius of the circle is r centimeter. Okay. So what will be the answer? That the radius of the circle is r centimeter. Okay. So hope this is clear. Next I am doing question number 10. Question number 10 is how many times will the wheel of a car rotate in a journey of 88 km given that the diameter of the circle, the diameter of the wheel is 56 cm. So rotation means it's covering in one rotation, it's covering its circumference. So in one rotation, it's covering its circumference. So the distance which is given here is 88 km. And you need to be careful about the units. The distance is given in kilometer and the radius is given, the diameter is given as in centimeter. So we first need to convert both of them in the same unit. Okay, so what will we do? The distance of the circumference is covered by the wheel in one rotation. So the distance 88 km will be covered by the wheel in how many rotations? That we will find out. Okay. So first we will find out the circumference of the circle. So just write down the radius first we will find out, because diameter is given. Radius of the wheel is equals to diameter is given 56. So 56 by 2 centimeter, that is 28 centimeter. Therefore the circumference of the circle 22 by 7 into r is 28 centimeter. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 22 into 4 twos are 8. So 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17, 176 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. So in one rotation it covers 176 centimeter. Now how will we find out how many rotations will it need to cover 88 kilometers? See, the wheel, okay, I am writing from here. The wheel covers 176 centimeter in one rotation. So therefore the wheel covers 1 centimeter, this is unitary method, in 1 by 176 rotation. Therefore the wheel covers 88 kilometers. So now we will convert it to centimeter. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. So 5 into 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 centimeter. This much centimeter in 1 into 8, 8, then 5 zeros divided by 176. So now we will do the cancellation. I am doing the cancellation here. By 88, sorry, by 88 I am dividing it first. 88 2s are 176. 88 ones are 88, then 5 zeros. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So it's 50,000 rotation. 5, then 4 zeros. So 50,000 rotation will be needed. So the wheel of the car will rotate 50,000 times to cover 88 kilometers. That will be the answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next, question number 12 I am doing. Question number 12 is, a piece of wire is bent in the shape of an equilateral triangle of side 4.4 centimeter. If the wire is rebent to form a circle, find the radius and the area of the circle. See, the equilateral triangles, each side is 4.4 centimeter. First we will find out the perimeter of the triangle. So that perimeter is only the circumference of the circle. So the perimeter will be same with the circumference of the circle. And then we will assume that the radius of the circle will be r centimeter. What is the unit here? Yes, centimeter. Okay, and from that equation we will find out the radius of the circle. So first we will find out the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the triangle, sorry. The perimeter of the triangle is equals to 4.4 into 3 centimeters, since it's an equilateral triangle. So it will be this one side into 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 in hand, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. So 13.3 centimeter is the perimeter as well as the circumference of the circle. So now we will assume let the radius of the circle be r centimeter. Let the radius be r centimeter. Therefore, according to the question, 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. 2 pi r is 13.2 centimeter. So r equals to, by cross multiplication, 13.2 into divided by 2 pi. Okay. Now that means 13.2 divided by 2 into 22 and here 7. So we will omit that point from here. 11 2s are 22, 11 11s are 11 12s are 132. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 here. Now it's 7 3s are 21 by 10, it's 2.1 centimeter is the radius of the circle. So what is the radius of the circle? 2.1 centimeter. Now we will find out the area of the circle, which is very easy. So area equals to pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into 2.1 square means 2.1 into 2.1. So we will omit that 1 point by dividing it by 10. So 7 3 is a 21 and so it's 22 into 3 into 2.1. Also we can omit this point. So 22 into 3 into 21. That means 66 into 21. So it's 1386 divided by 100. That means 13.86 centimeter square is the area of the circle. So the radius of the circle is 2.1 centimeter and the area is 13.86 centimeter square. Okay. So this is done. Next I am doing question number 15. Question number 15 is the diameter of a circular park is 84 meter. On its outside there a 3.5 meter wide road. Find the cost of constructing the road at rupees 240 per meter square. So first we have to find out the area of the road. Okay. So you can see this is the figure that the diameter of the circular park is given 84 meter. So the radius will be 84 divided by 2. That is 42 meter. 42 meter is the radius of the circular park. Now it is given that there is a road of 3.5 meter wide. So this much is 3.5 meter. So you can see the radius of the circle with the road is 42 plus 3.5 and the radius of the circle without the road is 42 meter. So first we will write here the radius of the circular park without the road is equals to 42 meter and with the road is equals to 42 plus 3.5 meter, that is 45.5 meter. Okay. Now radius of this diameter is 84, so it's 42. Okay. Now it's given, we first need to find out the area. So listen, see carefully. The area of the circular park with the road minus the area of the circular park without the road is equals to the area of the road. Again I am saying the area of the circular park with the road minus the area of the circular park without the road means this much area minus this much area equals to the area of the road. So we will write therefore the area of the road. See, what is the area of the circular park with the road? With the road its diameter is 45.5. So pi into r square, r means 45.5 square, minus the area of the circular part without the road, which is pi into 42 square. Okay, so now we will take pi as common. Take pi as common. So in the bracket it will be 45.5 square minus 42 square. So a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. 45.5 into 42, that is 87.5 into a minus b, means 3.5. Now we will do the cancellation. Pi's value is 22 by 7. 87.5 divided by 10. 875 divided by 10 to omit the point, and here 35 by 10. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 elevens are 21. So it's 11 into 875 divided by 10. So I am doing the multiplication here. So it's 9625, and the point will be here for this divided by 10. 962.5 meter square. Okay, so 962.5 meter square is the area of the road. Now it is asked in the question. The area is not asked. The area is not asked, but it's asked that find the cost of constructing the road at rupees 240 per meter square. So to construct 1 meter square, the cost is rupees 240. So what is the cost of constructing 962.5 meter square? So now we will write, therefore the cost of constructing the road is equals to rupees 962.5 into 240. So now I am doing again the multiplication here. 9625 and 24. So 5 4s are 20, 2 in hand, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 1 in hand, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25, 2 in hand. 9 4s are 36 plus 2 38. Here 5 2s are 10, 1 in hand, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 6 are 12, 1 in hand, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19. Now 0 0 0 1 in hand, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 1 in hand, 9 plus 3 12 plus 1 13, 1 in hand, 1 plus 1 2. So and another 0 will be there for this 0, and the point will be here. So it's 231,000 rupees. 2,31,000 is the total cost of constructing the road, of construction of the road. So I hope this is clear. Now the last sum I am doing from this exercise is question number 21. Okay. Before that I want another thing I have to say, that question number 18, question number 19 and question number 20 you don't need to do. Okay, from this exercise question number 18, 19 and 20 you don't need to do. Now next I am doing question number 21. Question number 21 is, if a wire is bent in the shape of a square, the area of the square is 81 centimeter square. When the same wire is bent into the form of a semicircular arc bounded by its diameter, find the area of the shape so formed. Okay, so what is the figure? Here it said or asked that semicircular arc bounded by its diameter. Semicircular means half of a circle which is bounded by its diameter. So the picture will be, this is the semicircular arc which is bounded by its diameter. So this is the given figure. Now we need to find out the area. Yes, we need to find out this area. Before that, you have to know that this semicircular arc is bounded by a wire. This is a wire. This total length, this is the length of a wire, okay, which was first bent into a shape of a square whose area is given. So the area of the square equals to 81 centimeter square. So if we find the perimeter of the square, then we will find out, then we can say what is the length of the wire, because the length of the wire was bent into the shape of a square. So the perimeter of the wire is equals to the length of the, perimeter of the square is equals to the length of the wire. So here the area is given. Therefore, one side of the square is equals to root over 81. When the area is given, how can we find out one side? By root over. By root. So it's root over 81, that is 9 centimeter. Root over 81 is 9 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is equals to 9 into 4. Side into 4, that is 36 centimeter. So now we have found the total length of the wire. The length of the wire is 36 centimeter. Okay. Now that 36 centimeter wire is rebent into a form of a semicircular arc which is bounded by its diameter. So what is the perimeter of this semicircular arc bounded by a diameter? You can see this diameter is 2r. If this is the radius of the circle, then diameter is 2r. And this one is half of its circumference. Total circumference 2 pi r. So half of the circumference is 2 pi r divided by 2, means pi r. So first we will assume that let the radius of the circle be r centimeter. Therefore, its diameter. So its diameter is 2r centimeter. Okay. Now semicircular arc. The length of the semicircular arc, the length of the semicircular arc is 2 pi r divided by 2, that is pi r centimeter. Okay. So what is therefore the length of the semicircular arc bounded by its diameter is equals to, so the length will be pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r centimeter. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now this total length is the length of the wire. According to the question, this length is the length of the wire. That means the length of the wire is 36 centimeter. So we can write here now. All these statements you need to write. According to the question, pi r plus 2r equals to 36. We will take r common. So it will be pi plus 2 equals to 36. So r into 22 by 7 plus 2 equals to 36. So it will be 22 plus 14 by 7 equals to 36. Now by cross multiplication, r equals to 36 into 7 by 36. 36 cancelled. So 7 centimeter is the radius of the arc. Okay, that is not asked here. Here it's asked what is the area of the shape. So we know now the radius of the shape. So what will be the area of the shape? See, if we know the radius, the area of the circle is pi r square. So what is the area of this semicircle? Semicircle's area is pi r square divided by 2. Sorry. The area of the semicircle is equals to pi r square divided by 2. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 7, so 7 means 7 square means 7 into 7 divided by 2. 7 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So 7 into 11, 77 centimeter square. 77 centimeter square is the area of the shape. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So this exercise is completed. I hope you understood all the sums. So our annual term syllabus is also completed. Now start revising all the chapters which are included in your annual syllabus. If you have any confusion, then you can call me anytime. So study well now, start revising the chapters very well. Take care of yourself and best of luck for your exam. Okay, bye.